Thank you sa sponsor ko, si Kuya Epi. Oh, so, siya daw yung magbubukas. Okay, open it.
How?
Para makita ninyo. So, ito yung nabili ko sa TikTok. Yung una, yung body shaper. Yung pinakita ko. Tapos ito. Kulay tan. Yung kulay niya. Green, olive green. Lahat ng color kinuha ko, mga bebs. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano siya, ha. Black. They're all the same. Just, and gray. So, ito yan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano siya. Nabili ko dun sa TikTok. Pangalawang ko to purchase sa TikTok. Yung isa yung body, yung isa nga yung body shaper. So, ito siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oops, Ella. Ayan siya.
What this?
Oh.
What
Ito
that?
siya.
What is it? The TikTok?
From TikTok, yeah. Jumpsuit siya, mga bebs. Small. Mamaya itatry ko siya ng video. Lahat ng color kinuha ko. So, lahat ng color nakuha ko siya. O, diba? Pang, outfit check. Sa work, diba? Kasi nga, spring na. Tapos, malapit na rin mag-summer. Kaya ito yung binili ko. Yes, I know. That's why I got it. For work. Okay. Sandali lang. May rubbish daw, sabi ni tatay. Ano ba yun? Nandito. No. Too crowded. Here or there. It's fine. Nasa garden tayo, mga bebs. Mahangin lang ng konti pero hindi naman siya super hindi siya malamig. Kasi tignan mo, ganyan lang siya. Ka-t-shirt lang din si tatay. Sabi 19 degrees ngayon pero hindi siya 19 degrees kasi nga malamig yung ng hangin. Pero hindi naman siya super lamig. Oh. Nagtatanim na naman tayo. Ayun, oh. Ayan ang ating garden.
Princey enjoying it. There's your Princey.
Prince. Yeah, there.
Yeah. I think you should put it in the middle though.
Oh, si Oscar namin, ayun, oh, kawawa man.
Is that or in the middle? Oh. The poo is running away.
Yeah.
Princess poo is running away.
I think there.
That's what I said.
Yeah, there. Ayan natin. Marami tayong itatanim pa. Ayan. May mga itinanim na dito si tatay ulit eh. Pinalitan yung mga namatay. Pinalitan. Ayan, itatanim pa tong maliliit na to. O, diba? So, ayan siya. Ito siya. Oh!
I told you I had
It's a pocket!
I told you. I just told you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Ayan siya. Ito siya. Yung pansin niyo nandun may sampayan kami. It's nice. Oh, diba? For work. Ang ganda dito din, oh.
Those parts might get dirty because you're going on walks.
Diba? It's okay. My shoes are, I can use a thicker shoes. Ang ganda niya, oh. So, lahat ng color meron ako. Oops, somebody's coming here. Ayan siya. What's that? Okay, na.
Mommy, you forgot to undo it.
Ay! color meron ako. Lahat ng color meron ako siya.
And green.
Ito yung
Peach.
tan.
Tan.
Yeah, tan.
Kinda. No, I think it's beige.
Oh,
I think it's
parang
like brownish.
Oh.
No, it's brown.
No, this is brown. No, that's,
That's
gray.
gray. This is brown.
Oo, parang ganun. Tapos,
It's brown.
may black.
Gray.
And then olive green. Diba? It's an olive green, right?
Oh, yeah. I want you to wear that to the garden center because it's green.
Why?
Ah.
No, I want that one. I
Oh.
can wear this tomorrow. I'm not like you, eager to, everything na yung new that we buy. She wants to wear it as soon as possible. Actually, I'm surprised you haven't used the other one yet.
What?
The pink, from Zara.
The pink and
Yeah.
the white tank top.
Yeah, I haven't seen you wear that yet.
I was gonna wear it in the day after we got it. But I didn't.
So, ayun, sanglit lang. Pupunta kami sa sa garden center. Sumama kayo sa amin, okay? You go with us. You come with us to another garden center.
I did my hair.
Hmm.
I did my own hair.
Hmm. Okay, see you in a bit. Oh, ubo-ubo ang aking bebetot. Ito. Ito.
You see, Fancy? We've never been here before.
Dada said you broke something from here.
Did we have that? We have this one.
That one, yeah. You said grass, babe.
Oh, that's the one that smells nice.
Yeah.
That place is home.
Piggyback daw.
That's in the shop.
Piggyback daw, sabi niya. Ang kalit eh. Tanaway. Oh my gosh. Ganda oh. Ganda na ito. Olive tree. Mahal na yan. Ang laki. Mahal yung olive tree. And roses. Mahal daw dito sabi ni tatay, pero meron siyang certain na yung hinahanap eh. Saka certain tree. Oh, roses. Iyan, nahanap niya na hinahanap niya sa wakas. Kasi nakailang na kami garden center tsaka mga nurseries. Wala din yung hinahanap niya. Meron siyang certain plant na hinahanap. Dito meron. Kaya lang ang tanong kung magkano. Yun yung tanong. Kasi baka mamaya mahal. Diyos ko. Ano pa naman ito? Naluloko na sa niya, sa mga plants niya. Hindi ko alam magkano na yan siya. Pero at least nagawa na yung garden, diba? Oh, ano ayun na. Diba? Nakaka-relax yung ng water. Where? How much is it? It will be expensive, isn't it? It's £10.99.
I'm going to buy one and break it into three.
Okay. Can you do that? Okay. £10.99 siya. Isa lang daw kukunin niya. Tapos ang gagawin niya, hatiin niya sa tatlo. Hatiin niya raw sa tatlo. Yeah, I know. So, nagbibigay sa kanya siya, bahala. Ganda ng mga water features, oh. Ganda.
I want a water picture. Look at that one.
What do you call that, B?
It's a tap.
No, that.
Beaver.
Viva.
Beaver.
Oh,
No, it doesn't have the big teeth at the front.
what is it?
Mama, there's a Buddha one. There's a Buddha water feature.
Ooh, Buddha! Gusto ko yung Buddha. One day, magkaka-Buddha ulit ako.
I'm wanting it now.
Ang ganda ng mga water features, no? Ang ganda yan eh. Nakaka-relax. Inuubo pa rin ako mga bebs. Lahat kami. Inuubo pa.
It's a Buddha and a water feature mixed together. It's not blowing.
Ayaw sanang lumabas niyan eh. Gusto niya lang dun sa may garden eh.
It's not blowing.
No?
Bam.
May garden furniture dun oh.
Did you hear my voice? Look! Plum!
Oh. Come here. There's a garden furniture here. May mga garden furniture. Tingnan natin dito. Ooh. Ang ganda. Yan yung gusto ni David eh. Sana gusto niya yung parang ganyan.
This is kind of what we have, but way bigger and carved and a different color. It's like the same texture though. Kinda.
Tell Dada to come here. Yan yung garden furniture oh. Meron naman na kami. Pak, hello. Kailangan namin barbecue. Yun ang kailangan namin. Ay, may ano oh. Sa ano to? Pizza. Pizza, be. Oh. Ella, oh. Pizza oven, oh.
I think it's too far.
Dada wants to have a pizza oven outside. Ahem. Ahem. Ahem.
It's a big umbrella.
Mm.
There's an umbrella on there.
Janet got one.
I want one. Ooh, look. Why can't we just use that like fire stove thing?
I don't know that one. Oh, we need a barbecue again.
Because the other one almost broke.
It's
When we
broken, I
last
think.
did it for Christmas, it was raining. It was raining when we did.
Ang ganda. Oh, ganda diba?
Shaky. So shaky.
Yes. Ganda diba? Parang ano lang to. Parang sa Bulacan lang. Puro greenery. Ayun, may palay dun oh. Yan yung palay. Ang ganda oh. Oo, ayun yung mga bahayan dun. Oh, hindi pa tayo pupunta doon. Dito tayo pupunta. Ayan.
That's what we're gonna grow.
Wheat.
Yeah.
Ayan. Nakabalik na kami mga bebs. Ito mga... Tuyo na ba ito? Tagalin natin. Tuyo na siya. Dali, tatanggalin ko lang ha. Kasi para matanggal na rin itong naka-handusay dito. Handusay. Tanggalin natin. Ayan. Bukas busy na naman si
3
Ella.
in 1. 2 in 1.
Ayan.
2 in 1.
Nisisipon kami, nisisipon kami.
1 in 1.
Alright, take the other Sana. Take it.
Why?
Can't reach down there.
It's already folded.
Just leave it there, it's fine.
And you can fold
Yan, so nakabalik na kami. Ayun si Prince.
it. It's already folded.
Gusto lumabas ni
There might be a little
Oscar
spot on the
kami. Ito
clothes
naman,
there.
lagi lang. Why do you do that? I'm talking to them and then you talk as well.
Okay, I do.
Miss. So, ayan nga. Lumabas bigla ito eh. Si Oscar. Hi, Oscar!
Hey,
Hi!
we sprayed him. We sprayed him with Princess shampoo.
So, ayan na nga. Nakabalik na kami. Makalabas nga sa may sa garden, mga babes. Sandali, punta tayo sa garden. Tingnan natin sa garden.
I think Prince is gonna be mad that we used his shampoo on Oscar.
That's okay. Basta tayo. Basta tayo.
Why aren't you using your slippers? These. Why aren't you using yours?
Because I wanna use this. Yun yung mga na pamili ng mga nabili na na hindi pa niya nailalagay. Pakita ko sa inyo ha, sandali. Ayan Marami pa siyang itatanim eh. Ayan.
Should we see if there's any package there? No package there.
So ayan pa yung mga itatanim niya. My favorite part ko itong decking.
Which is your favorite part? Decking. I'll show you my
Ayun yung
favorite part.
patio doon.
I'll show you my favorite part. This part, the fire pit, and the patio.
Okay. Yung daw favorite part niya.
There's a gem, and there's a bee on top. Which is your least favorite part? Mine's this room. Room 3.